Hi there, this beautiful bird feeder is made from solid cedar wood, ensuring durability and weather resistance for years. It measures 7 inches high, 7 inches wide, and 10 inches deep, perfect for your garden or yard. The colorful design adds a charming farmhouse touch while attracting a variety of birds. It features a convenient cleaning door on the roof for easy maintenance and seed refills. You can hang it from branches or mount it on poles or posts for versatile placement. Handmade with care, this birdhouse combines function and rustic style effortlessly. Enjoy watching your feathered friends gather around this sturdy, decorative feeder. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.